Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel will contain those programs whose explanation is either not present on YouTube or the explanation is present but not to the mark. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today's question is the maximum product of splitted binary tree, which is also daily question of the day 19th August. Okay, so first of all, what we will be given in this question is that we will be given a root node, the reference to the root node, and what we have to do in this question is we have to divide the tree into two such subtrees such that the product of their sum of nodes is maximum. Okay, so I mean the product of the sum of the nodes, so that like we have divided this subtree into this tree into these two subtrees, and the product of the sum of the nodes of 5 4 and 2, sum is 11, and 1 3 6, sum is 10, their product is maximum. Okay, like we can also divide here from this node, and the sum of first node will be 5 5 4 2 and 1, which 12, and 6 into 3, and 6 plus 3 9, 12 into 9 108, it is less, the maximum is 110. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to divide it into two subtrees such that the product of the sum of these two subtrees is maximum. Okay, so yeah, how we can do it is that we can first of all calculate the sum of all the nodes, and as a total sum, and then what I will do is I will take the sum of the subtrees and calculate the maximum product. Okay, so and calculate the maximum product of the sum minus sum of this sum minus total sum minus sum of the subtree into sum of the subtree. Okay, so let me write what I am trying to say is our answer will be math dot max answer comma total sum minus subtree sum into this subtree sum. Okay, I hope you will be getting as this subtree sum is also in the total sum. Okay, so we will have to remove it from total sum and then get the product. Yeah, this will be our major goal here. Okay, so I will comment it out and let's try to code it first. Okay, so I will take two global variables and I will name them total sum and max product. Okay, and one more thing, we have to return it in the modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so the answer should not go beyond it, and we have to first of all calculate our maximum answer and then return the modulo. Okay, so it is a bit easy. We have to calculate the long, and then at last we have to return. Okay, at last we have to return modulo of the answer. It's a bit easy. This part is easy, not the whole question. Okay, so first of all I will calculate the total sum. To calculate the total sum, private, it will not return anything as I've taken the global variable. Okay, private void total sum, and I will pass the tree node root here, and what it will do is if root equal to null, then return else what else total sum plus equal to root dot val. And now what I will do, total sum, and not what I will do is I will add the total sum of the root dot left and root dot right. Yeah, this function is completed, and let me call it here, and first of all let me initialize by total sum by 0, and then I will call total sum here, total sum root. Okay, and now what I will do, now I will try to calculate my subtree sum, and try to calculate my maximum product by the idea of this subtree sum into subtree sum total sum minus subtree sum into subtree sum. Okay, so let's try to calculate subtree sum first. Private long private, okay, I have to do it long. I will explain why I've done it. First of all, subtree sum equal to, and the parameter and will be tree node root. Okay, yeah, it's clear. And what I will do, I will check if root equal to null, return 0. Okay, it's a bit type of the merge sort in which we go first of all to the bottom, and how we will go to the bottom is I will calculate long. Why I've taken the long is that we have to maximize the answer before taking the mod, and maximize answer can go beyond the integer. Okay, so what I will do, I will take long L equal to subtree sum, and here I will calculate root dot left, and in the right I will calculate the sum of the right, Okay, and now what I will do, I will calculate my maximum product. My max product equal to math.max max max product. Okay, and now my total sum, what I have written, I will do it as it is. My total sum, okay, and I will subtract what? Subtree sum. What is the subtree sum? The subtree sum is L. Okay, I'm going to use the bracket. Okay, what is the subtree sum? L plus R plus root dot val. Okay, this is my total sum, and now what I will do, I will multiply it. I will multiply it by this. This is my subtree sum now. So yeah, this, and what I will do, I will return this subtree sum for the previous of it to check. Okay, L plus R plus root dot val. It's a bit of it's a recursion actually, and you have to be good in recursion. First of all, you have to be good in recursion to do the trees programs easily. Okay, yeah, trees are mostly done by recursion and by queue and stack, but most of the people prefer the recursion part. Okay, so yeah, what I have done here, I have calculated the left of it and the right of the subtree and its root. The subtree sum will be left node sum, right node sum plus the root sum, and I will subtract it from total sum and get the my product, like I've explained earlier, by this. Okay, and I will store it in maximum product. Okay, now my only thing which is required, okay, so I have to, yeah, I have to store it here also, and it's of no use, but let's store it. Store it tmp equal to, so it's of no use, but I will store it as a long tmp subtree sum, and I will pass root here. And now what I will return, I will return my max product. Yeah, I will return my max product. How? By calculating the modulo of 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 7. Yeah, I will return it. Yeah, I think it should work now, and let's check. Oh, internet not connected. Okay, no problem, I calculated, connect it actually, and yes, let's try to run it again. And okay, oh, oh, first mistake, second mistake, and what is the problem here? Looks like I've added a 0 less. I don't think so. Teacher number 2, yeah, I haven't added it extra, and let's try to make it int and check if it will run or not. Otherwise I will go the long way, traditional way. Okay, yeah, it's running. Okay, I wasn't typecasting it from long to int. Okay, that's also okay. Now hope it will run. Yeah, it's accepted. So that was it, that was okay. So the hint here was very useful, as what I've explained there. It's as in hint, I forgot to tell you, and the hint was the answer is maximum of total sum minus subtree sum into subtree sum in each node. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. That was today's question, and this question is much important in the point of interview purpose. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That was today's video. Hope you have liked. If you have liked, please like the video and do comment if you have any doubt in this video tutorial. Okay, and please subscribe the channel, as it motivates most of the content creators to work hard, and also press the bell icon. Okay, so yeah, till then, happy coding and Jai Hind.